In parallel, you must regularly conduct the maintenance of air piston for stop. As shown in the figure, the air piston for stop is inserted in the cylinder together with the air piston for limiting the quantity of fuel injection. It has O-ring sealed structure. O-rings are degraded with time where drain or dust in the air affects them, so renew them periodically. I explain how to do it. First, remove the air piston assembly from the engine. Next, remove the fuel-limiting air piston and the piston for stop from the body in order. Renew the O-rings fitted in each piston side surface. After greasing the pistons, reassemble them in reverse order for disassembly.